Hey guys, how's it going? This video is presented by Jpcanada, Toronto Center. This is Harunglish. 脱教科書英語 I think she's ready. Let's begin.
Hi everyone, this is Haru.
Hey, what up? It's Jeff.
So today we got a request from Ryoga. Thank you for the request, Ryoga.
Thank you.
Yay, so his request is how to use up to. So there are a few ways, right?
Yeah, a few ways.
So we cannot cover everything today, but we are gonna introduce some anyway.
Yeah.
Then if you are interested in more, like you should check next video as well. Yay. So Jeff, let me give the first way.
Okay.
Now I'm thinking whether I should buy a new nice camera.
Sure, absolutely, you should.
But I'm wondering how much it costs.
Well, from what I hear, it costs up to $2,000.
2,000? 2,000? Wow, it's expensive.
Indeed.
So you say up to?
Up to.
Up to 2,000. Up to.
Yeah.
Up to. This means 2,000. Over 2,000?
Not over 2,000. Up to is another way of saying as high as.
As high
2,000.
as. Oh, so as high as mean the maximum 2,000. So this means at least if I have 2,000, then I can cover. It's enough. So not over or more than 2,000. The 2,000 is the highest. Expensive.
That's correct.
Then we can, if I have 2,000, then we can buy anything.
That's correct. It doesn't also have to be about just money either. It can also be about time. It takes up to 3 hours or distance. It's as far, the distance is up to 50 kilometers, things like that. Basically anything you can have a maximum up to value for, you can do.
Or like, so for example, like from here to your place, how long does it take? Or should I expect? In this case, like you can say,
It takes up to 1 hour.
1 hour. So like sometimes like how do you say? Traffic is busy, so perhaps like sometimes we can get there in 30 minutes, but sometimes like 40 minutes. But at least if we estimate 1 hour, then we can get there.
Yes.
Anyway. That's good to know. So does it make sense? So up to equal
As high as.
like maximum here. So let's practice.
We'll do the full sentence. It costs up to $2,000.
It costs up to $2,000. It cost mean in Japanese 何々費用がかかる. It costs. So repeat after him.
It costs up to $2,000.
It cost up to $2,000. 1, 2. Yay! So okay. Let me give the second ways. So okay. So you say up to 2,000, right?
Yeah.
So.
So are you gonna buy it?
But 2,000. I really want new camera, but 2,000 is a little bit expensive for me. But then I don't want to compromise because I might regret later. Should I get the most expensive one?
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Up to. Oh, again you say up to.
I did, yes.
This means minimum up to?
No.
Not minimum. I mean maximum.
No minimum, no maximum.
Oh, so different meaning.
Yes. This one is not a value. This one uses a pronoun, which means up to becomes it's your choice.
Oh.
It's up to you means
Up to
it's
you.
your choice. So up to means choice in this
It depends
case.
on my decision.
Yes.
Oh, so you can decide whatever you want,
Yes.
or you should rely on what you think, how you feel.
Yes.
Oh, I
It's
see.
your decision.
It's my decision. So it's up to you.
Yes.
It's up to you.
Yes.
That? Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. So, well, so this is the second way, right?
That's correct.
So let's practice.
It's
Sorry.
it's up to you.
It's up to you. It's up to you. 1, 2. Yay! So today we introduce 2 sentences. So up to is one way is as high as.
That's correct.
So sentence please.
It costs up to $2,000.
It cost up to $2,000. And another one is
It's up to you.
this means
It's your choice.
it's your decision. So
It's up to you.
it's up to you. Okay, so let's practice. Repeat after him.
It's up to you.
It's up to you. Alright, so this is Har and
Hey, what up? This is Jeff.
we are signing
Signing off.
off.